There comes a moment in every person's life, a moment when the noise becomes too loud, the weight becomes too heavy, and the heart whispers, "God, I can't do this anymore." If you're watching this, maybe you've reached that moment. Maybe you've been fighting battles no one sees, smiling on the outside, but breaking on the inside, carrying questions you don't have answers for. Tonight, something different is happening. Not an accident, not a coincidence, but a divine appointment, meant specifically for you, because Jesus, the one who formed your soul, the one who knows every tear you refuse to let fall, has something to say to you, not as a distant God, not as a silent observer, but as the one who loves you more deeply than you've ever been loved. Take a deep breath. Slow down your heart and listen, because this is not just a message. This is Jesus speaking to you.
My child, you've been walking through life carrying so much more than you were ever meant to carry. I've watched you try to be strong for everyone, even when you felt empty inside. I've seen the nights when sleep wouldn't come, the mornings when getting out of bed felt like climbing a mountain, the moments when you whispered, "God, I'm tired." You may think no one understands the weight on your shoulders, but I do, because I've been walking with you through every step, even the steps you thought you were taking alone. You look at your life and think you've failed. You think you should be further by now. You think your mistakes have ruined my plan. But listen to me. Your broken places do not disqualify you. Your weaknesses do not scare me. Your limitations do not shock me. I knew every part of you when I chose you, and I still choose you every single day. You've been trying to fix everything on your own. Your mind never rests. Your heart never quiets. Because you think if you stop fighting, everything will fall apart. But my child, you were never created to hold the world together. That's my job, not yours. Let me carry what has been crushing you. Let me step into the places you've been trying to handle alone. You see delay, I see preparation. You see silence, I see protection. You see nothing changing, I see everything aligning. You think you're losing time, but I am teaching you how to walk into the future I designed for you. You've convinced yourself you're too broken to be loved, too inconsistent, too imperfect, too complicated. But hear me, you are worthy of love, even now. Not because you are perfect, but because you are mine. You don't earn my love through success. You don't lose my love through failure. My love for you is the only constant in a world that keeps changing. My child, there's something you do without even realizing it. Whenever life hurts you, you hide it from me. You smile through the pain, you pretend you're fine, you push your feelings deep inside your heart and tell yourself, "It's okay, I'll handle it." But hear me, you never have to hide your pain from me. Not your fear, not your confusion, not your mistakes, not your disappointments. I am not just the God of your victories. I am the God of your wounds. I see the silent battles you fight inside yourself, the thoughts you wish you could erase, the memories that still sting, the emotions you don't know how to explain. You don't have to pretend with me. You don't have to be strong with me. You can bring me everything, even the parts you're ashamed of. There were nights when you prayed with tears in your eyes, nights when you said, "Lord, please, I need you." And when things didn't change right away, you wondered, did God even hear me? Yes, my child, I heard you the first time, and every time. Just because you didn't see movement doesn't mean I wasn't working. Just because the answer didn't come instantly doesn't mean I ignored you. You look at delay and feel forgotten, but my timing is not denial. My timing is protection. You asked me for strength, so I allowed challenges that made you grow. You asked me for peace, so I removed the people who were disturbing your spirit. You asked me for purpose, so I closed doors that were too small for your destiny. Every no, every wait, every silent moment was me preparing something better than what you prayed for. You still carry guilt from things that happened years ago, words you said out of pain, choices you regret, mistakes you replay over and over in your mind. But listen to me. I forgave you before you learned to forgive yourself. My mercy covered your past. My grace erased your failures. My love washed away your shame. Stop punishing yourself for wounds I already healed. Stop reliving moments I have forgotten. Stop believing lies about sins I no longer remember. You are not the person you used to be. You are not defined by your lowest moment. You are not trapped in who you were. You are mine, redeemed, restored, washed clean. I've watched you fight thoughts that tried to break you. Thoughts that said, "You're not enough. You will never change. You will always be alone. Your life will never improve." These were not your thoughts, my child. They were battles in your mind, and you fought them quietly. No one saw you wrestle with fear at 2 a.m. No one saw the tears on your pillow. No one saw the moment you almost gave up. But I saw you. Every moment. And every time you felt like drowning, I lifted you. Every time the darkness whispered lies, I spoke truth into your heart. Every time you thought you wouldn't make it, I carried you. You are still here not because you are strong, but because I am holding you. So, my child, before this moment ends, there is one thing I want you to know, and I want you to hold it close to your heart. You are not alone. You have never been alone, and you will never be alone. I am walking with you. I am guiding you. I am healing you. I am restoring what life has taken. I am rebuilding what broke inside you. I am strengthening what fear tried to weaken. And even when you cannot feel me, I am still working. Even when you cannot hear me, I am still speaking. Even when you do not see progress, I am still moving. Your story is not over. Your future is not lost. Your purpose is not gone. There is more for you, so much more than you imagine. All I ask is that you give me your heart, one day at a time, one step at a time, one moment at a time. And as you walk with me, you will see it. The peace you prayed for, the healing you waited for, the strength you longed for. I am with you, and I am not finished with you. Not today, not ever. Take my hand and let me lead you forward. A new chapter begins now.
If this message touched your heart, then hear this carefully. God is not done with you. This moment you just experienced wasn't random. It was a reminder that you are loved, valued, and seen by the one who created you. You are stepping into a new season, a season of healing, clarity, rest, and restoration. So as you go forward today, carry this truth with you. Jesus is closer than the breath in your lungs. He is guiding every detail, opening every right door, and closing every wrong one. And remember, you never walk alone, not for a single step. If you need more messages like this, more moments of peace, more reminders of God's love, you are welcome to return anytime. Until then, may His grace cover you, may His peace steady your heart, and may His presence go before you. God bless you and keep you.